Bonjour et bienvenue au French for Beginners. Hello friends, welcome to my channel French for Beginners. So today I am going to describe my family in French. Aujourd'hui, je vais décrire ma famille en français. Allez, c'est parti. Come on, let's start. So first of all, I will write on the top ma famille. Ma famille. So we have two types of family. One is nuclear, and second is joint family. So here I am writing the nuclear family, which have 4 or 5 members. First I'll write ma famille est nucléaire. Now il y a, I am writing 4 members, right? You can write according to your family members 5, 6 or 4. I am writing about nuclear family, so just 4 and 5. Il y a 4 membres dans ma famille. That means there are 4 person in my family, 4 member in my family. So let's start. First is mes parents, that is my parents. Mon frère, either you can write your brother or sister, whatever you have. Mon frère, ma soeur et moi. That means my parents, my brother or my sister and me. When we are writing about for male member, we will write MON, and when we are writing for female member, we will write MA. So make sure when you are writing for male, always write MON, that means my, and when you are writing for a female member, you write MA, that also means my. So first is mon père, my father s'appelle, mon père s'appelle this, my father name is this. So first of all, you can write on the top je m'appelle, because you are writing about your family. You can write je m'appelle, your name, that means my name, this, my name is, for example, I am Neha, so I'll write je m'appelle Neha, my name is Neha. Now here I have written Ella Dansho, he is this year old. Now I am writing he is a businessman. You can write whatever job he is doing. Il est homme d'affaires. Il est homme d'affaires. He is businessman. Or you can write il est emploi, il est médecin, whatever his profession is. Next is I am writing his quality. Il est, he is tall, il est grand et intelligent. He is tall and intelligent. Next, ma mère s'appelle. Next, my mother name is this. You have to write your mother's name. Then L A dash on. Here you have to write your mother's age. She is this year old. Here I am writing she is a housewife. You can write her profession if she is doing a job, teacher, doctor, whatever you can write, but here I am writing a housewife. LA farm au foyer. She is a housewife. Here I am writing next mon frère, my brother, or you can write about your sister if you have a sister. You write about your sister. If you have a brother, you write about your brother. Mon frère s'appelle this. His name is this. Il a dash on. He is this year old. If you are writing for your sister, you have to write M-A here, ma, sir, s'appelle her name. Then here you have to write E-double-L-E-L, R dash on. For boy we write il, for girl we write L, that is E-double-L-E-L, a dash on. Now here I am writing il est étudiant. He is a student. Il est étudiant, or whatever he is doing you can write here. Or if you are writing about your sister, then you write E-double-L-E-L, A étudiant, and here you have to add E. Then il est méchant. He is naughty. Il est méchant. He is naughty. And if you are writing about your sister, again here E-double-L-E-L, méchant, adding E for feminine, we write E at the end. Elle est méchante, that means he is naughty. And at the end I will write j'aime ma famille beaucoup. J'aime ma famille beaucoup. I like my family a lot. So I am reading this full. J'aime ma famille. This is if you have exam and if you got it for 5 marks, you can write it. And if you want to write for 10 marks, you have to elaborate more. But this family essay comes in 5 marks only. So here I am writing full. Ma famille. Je m'appelle this. Ma famille est nucléaire. I have a nuclear family and my family is nuclear. Il y a 4 membres dans ma famille. There are 4 members in my family. Mes parents, mon frère, or whatever, ma soeur, et moi. My parents, my brother or my sister, whatever you have, and me. Mon père s'appelle this. My father name is this. Il a dash. He is this year old. You have to write age. Il est homme d'affaires. He is a businessman. Il est grand et gentil. Il est grand et intelligent. He is tall and intelligent. Or whatever quality you want to write, you can write here. Next, ma mère s'appelle this. My mother name is this. You have to write your mother's name here. Elle a dash. She is this year old. Elle est femme au foyer. She is a housewife, or if you want to write her profession or whatever, you can write. Next, mon frère s'appelle this. My brother name is this. He is, you can write your brother name. Il a dash. He is this year old. Il est étudiant. He is a student. Il est méchant. He is naughty. And at the end, j'aime ma famille beaucoup. I like my family a lot. So here I have described my family, a nuclear family in French. So guys, if you like my video, then press the like button. Subscribe my channel for more videos. And if you want another paragraph or another topic, you can comment me in the comment section and I'll come with that paragraph or whatever topic you want me to teach. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Merci. Au revoir. À bientôt.